Creating AI-generated YouTube videos is easier than you might think. First, choose a topic that excites you, something you're passionate about. Next, use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a script. Just input your topic, and watch as the AI crafts engaging content tailored to your audience. Once you have your script, it's time to bring it to life. Use text-to-speech software to create a voiceover. Many of these tools offer realistic voices that can add personality to your video. Now for visuals, AI image generators like Dolly or Midjourney can create stunning graphics based on your script. Combine your voiceover and visuals using video editing software. Platforms like VED allow you to easily sync audio with images, add text overlays, and even incorporate background music that's royalty-free. Finally, optimize your video for YouTube by crafting an eye-catching title and description. Remember to keep your content engaging and informative. With these steps, you can create captivating AI-generated videos that resonate with viewers, all while avoiding copyright issues. Dive in and unleash your creativity.